Mana day la parte Nagatishale Namelele Mentani kaway Nahiyapi. Oh, I got it, man. Men simba la slay Ding ding eh Gula na kalay Menta bat la shy
Yajing ieid Happy
Oh my gosh, you're falling. I know you will fall for me now. Okay, hello everyone, Northeast people, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura. They see Tripura? Tripura or Tripura? Sorry, okay? It's Tripura. Tripura people, Sikkim people, Assam people, Nagaland, love from Africa or peace from Africa, guys. Today we are back again here, and I have one suggested. They suggested one song here, and they also say this song that most of the Northeast people, they love it, guys. So I also want to love it since I love the Northeast people, and most of my reaction video is for the Northeast people, so why not to react to this? So I watched the official music video of these guys. It was so lovely, so romantic. It's a romantic video actually, guys, and it's a love song because the song title is Naga Yapi, so which means love. Okay, I love you song. So we are going to check this Khasi old song, guys, and I choose to react to the lyric version of this so that I want to sing for you guys. I don't know Khasi, but with the lyric I can easily sing for you guys. So let's do it out, and don't forget guys, kindly support my channel, subscribe guys, do it kindly guys, you won't lose anything. This is what I'm requesting. Love from Africa. Let's go. Kublai Shibon. Nahiyapi. It's like, it's not, yeah, Nahiyapi. Let me sing for you guys. Nahiyapi. Na Africa minta Kublai Shibon men sim jonga. Let me sing for my people, to the Northeast people. Mensim kadaka slay, kading kapapalay, nagatin salay, nabalay, pinsin salay. Alay, okay? Naiyapi, mensim jonga men. Marwe, Mana day la parte Nagatishale Namelele Mentani kaway Nahiyapi. Oh, I got it, man. Men simba la slay Ding ding eh Gula na kalay Menta bat la shy
Yajing ieid Happy
Oh my God, you're falling. I know you will fall for me now. Okay? Yes, you, Naiyapi. You, I mean you. How is this, guys? Read me out. I don't know Khasi, but I can sing Khasi, man. You know, the worst thing is that I'm singing and I don't understand the full version, the full lyric, man. Anyway, so music is the universal language, okay? I just love the beat, and let's sing it. Let's go again. Come on. I want to sing this. Enough of the beat, man. Don't make it so boring. We want to sing. I want to sing for the people. They are waiting, right? I know you like the way I sing. So relax. Menta Kublai Shibon. Like. Did you like? Did you subscribe? Because I'm coming for you part 2. Pasing kaset, pating kawan tailep, kajingen jonga, kamensim jonga, Karunaning menca. Woo! Naiya pia, naiya pia. Tanah mesim jonga, Robin Ray tanah bi menca.
Kung kiklatsi, bating shan habi, and shan terkesing.
Shisha, say,
Nanggit
yeah.
yapi.
Oh man, I got it, I got it. Simba la shai, dajani, kolar konale, minta bat la shai. What does it mean, minta bat la shai, man?
Happy nga lang, hadoon ko kising.
Yapi, nga iyad yapi. Look at this place.
Look at this face. Kaitna baha,
Betul.
nagati, nagyati.
Iti benar.
Isn't
Isn't it beautiful?
Isn't it beautiful? Beautiful, just like you, right? You know it.
Iti sendiri.
It's
Matipit na ba?
I think it's proposing now.
Sure.
Don't but yeah. Yeah,
Actually,
actually, oh, I like
I
you
like you.
and I love you.
Mister.
I don't like you. Oh, Sid, what's
I love
wrong
you.
with you? Oh my gosh, you just kill it. I don't like you, but I love you, guys. This is very important. This is very important. Okay? This is very important because I still remember when I was in high school, guys, in my high school, my teacher used to tell me the difference between I like you or you like something and you love something. Okay, I love this, the last word actually. So this girl, she said, I don't like you, but I love you. It's, for example, my teacher used to say that if you like a flower, right? Let's say you went to the garden and you like a flower, you plant it. How do you say plant it or pick it, whatever it is? So you plant it, right? But because you like it, you can smell it, you have fun with it. But at the end, when you're done with it, you will throw out, right? It means you like the flower at the moment you saw it, right? That is the meaning of you like it. But if you love the flower, for example, let's say you have a flower at home or you have a flower garden at home, right? You will water it. You will take care of it when it is rotten or infected, something like that. You will take care of it. And that is mean of naiyapi. That is the mean of you love it. You got it, man. So nice, guys. Please rate my singing, guys. Rate my singing from 1 to 10, guys. I don't know. I'm from Africa. I don't know Khasi. I know only Singing Jonga, Kublai Shibon. So like few words, guys. But I'm learning. I'm learning, guys. I'm learning because soon I'm coming to Shillong, Meghalaya. That is next month only. So I want to learn few words so that I can speak with you guys in my vlogs. So subscribe so that you don't miss my vlog, guys. This is a really nice song, guys. I really love it. And yeah, I choose to react to the lyric, guys, because I also don't like boring videos, guys, because when I react to the official music video, it's nice. I don't say the official is boring, but I can't enjoy singing because there is no subtitle there. So from today, I will start choosing to react to the lyrics. So the next video, guys, after this, go and check. I'm going to react to one Jupe song, guys. One Jupe song lyric video, guys. So thank you so much. Kindly, how do you say it? Kindly, guys, please subscribe. Subscribe, put on the bell because na iya pre. Till next time, Bamba Club.